Hey everyone, it's me, Jovita Bhaumik. During this whole stay-at-home situation, I've been getting really bored. So I decided to learn a new skill. I've been having my eyes on this instrument for a while now, and I've finally started learning it. To make it even better, I applied my newfound skill and wrote the background music to my original song called Freebird by, me. Hope you enjoy! You're looking at the one steps in. Your words cut deeper than a knife. You try to kill me and make me die, but I won't give up without a fight. I feel just like a fly. Every end so right, 'cause nothing's holding me back. No one to pull me and nag. I feel just like a bird, spreading my wings long night, 'cause nothing's holding me back. No one to pull me and I no more, 'cause I'm a free bird. Free bird. Free bird. Free bird, free bird. You used to watch me suffer, but now the tables are